The kitchen has always been the heart of the home. It's where we gather, cook, and connect. Today, kitchens are being reimagined. They are becoming stylish spaces that reflect our personalities and lifestyles. Gone are the days of purely functional kitchens. Modern kitchens are designed for living. They are warm, inviting, and stylish. They seamlessly blend form and function. One of the hottest trends in kitchen design is sleek minimalism. Think clean lines, handleless cabinets, and integrated appliances. This minimalist aesthetic creates a sense of calm and spaciousness. It's perfect for modern living, but sleek doesn't mean sacrificing functionality. Smart appliances are seamlessly integrated into these modern designs. Imagine your refrigerator suggesting recipes based on its contents. Picture your oven preheating with a simple voice command. Technology is transforming the way we cook and live. Today's homeowners are environmentally conscious. They want their kitchens to reflect their values. Sustainable materials are more popular than ever. Reclaimed wood, bamboo, and recycled countertops are not only eco-friendly, they also add warmth and character. But sustainability doesn't mean sacrificing style. Modern kitchens are all about personalization. From custom cabinetry to unique backsplashes, homeowners are adding their personal touch. This creates a space that is truly their own. The modern kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's a multifunctional hub for dining, entertaining, and even working. Large islands have become the heart of the kitchen, perfect for gathering and connecting. Open floor plans seamlessly connect the kitchen to living and dining areas. Natural light streams in through large windows. Vibrant colors and textures add personality. The kitchen has become a true reflection of our lives. It's a space that is as beautiful as it is functional.